just all of a sudden. But hey guys, I'm literally so happy right now because I just got to see in the mail. It's my Straykids set. I've already opened one card pack, so let's go through it. Han, Lino, all four. That's Sungmin, and or all eight, I mean, sorry. Oh my god, Felix! I'm dying. I'm so happy. I have this picture of Felix in my camera roll. Don't ask. I make a lot of edits. There's Hyunjin. I am so freaking happy this came today. I am like, I'm dying. I was waiting so long for this. Just, gosh. Felix. Also, if anyone joined the live last night with Straykids' live, was it just me? I couldn't join it. I just saw it at around 8 because I woke up. Because I haven't been feeling the best, but I woke up and I saw they did a live, and I was just like, oh, that's great. I've never joined one of their lives. Felix definitely needs to take care of himself. He's not. I mean, he is, but he keeps holding his back. And when I went to the concert, I kind of did notice the same thing. He looked like he was legitimately about to cry in the middle of the concert because of back pain, and he kept adjusting. He left live. It was so clear that he didn't do the live because of his back pain. He did not want to be there. He did not want to do that live. It was so freaking clear. I couldn't join it, but you know how the lives stay after and everything. But yeah, I saw it there. Got my other card pack open. And then there's just these Instagram ones. But let's just forget about the live because I honestly want to cry because of it. But there's these little Instagram things. They're so cute. Where's the Felix one? There's no Felix on this one. That's fine. There's probably Felix in this one. If you guys don't know this, all 8 of them are my biases, or however you pronounce it. But I have, I think, 5 main biases: Lino, Bang Chan, Hyunjin, and Felix. And then, Ian, Jungin. But oh my gosh. My new keychains. Oh my gosh. My keychains. Guys, look over there. Oh, Bally. Dang, this is tape? Oh god. It's facing downwards. I actually had a black-pink one of these. Does this one have a cover as well? One time with my black-pink one, there's a cover, so I'm just making sure. There's 2 of them. So freaking happy my dad bought me this. Okay, now time for these big ones. I'm really excited for them. Dang, bro. But here's this. Here's all the stickers. I am so happy. I now have an album and a pack. Social pack. But now let's go through all of the little things I have. Try and make a transition. That did not work at all. Let's talk about toxic fans. If you guys don't know what toxic fans are, it's where people, there are, let's see, what do you call it? Like certain people that like Stray Kids, and then like they're like a stay, but to certain members. Like say someone doesn't like Felix because he has freckles and he has a deep voice. That's what a toxic fan is. But yeah, so we have Changmin, Felix, sorry, I was trying to see who that was. Mino or Lino, Han or Jisung, and then we have Hyunjin, Bangshan, Sungmin, Ian, Bangshan, Changmin, Hyunjin, Jongin, Felix, Han, Sungmin, and Lino. So now let's go through these because I'm really curious. And these are all my cards. So we got Felix, Ian, Han, all 8 of them, Felix. I think that's Bang-chan, and then there's Felix, Mino, Changmin, Mino, Bang-chan, all 8 of them, Han, Changmin, Bang-chan, Lino, all 8 members, Lino, Changmin, Changbin, Sungmin. I think that's Lino. Wait. Yeah, Lino, Bangshan, Hyunjin, Changbin, Sungmin, Hyunjin, Bangshan, Sungmin, Hyunjin, Lino, wait. I think that's either Sungmin or Lino. I cannot tell. They had names on there. And then Hyunjin, Han, Ian, Lino, Jongin, Hyunjin, all 8 members, Han, Hyunjin, Ian, Felix, Bangshan. This is one of my favorite pictures of Felix. then Seungmin, and then Ian, Felix, lose my breath, all 8 of them, Straykids, all 8, and then I believe Seungmin or Han, hold on. It's either Seungmin or Han. But, and then we have all 8 members. Lino, Han, and then Ian, I believe. I am so happy they came in. I'm gonna keep them in my little Stray Kids box. Yeah, and yes, I did get a Stray Kids box. Y'all are just like resting on it, I guess that's how you put it. But first, wait, hold on. Where's my favorite picture? Where's that picture of Felix? There, I need to keep that out. And if you're asking why, I'll show you. They have freaking pop sockets, Stray Kids pop sockets, and I've been dying for one. I really want one. And I'll show you why I need to have this out. I told my dad I was desperate for these. That's how I got them. No, I'm joking. I sent them to him and he was just like, yeah, I'll buy them. I asked him for a Skizu. Felix's Skizu. Bulgari or whatever. But I haven't been feeling the best, so I haven't been posting a lot. I always get sick right in the middle, like start of summer. Always happens. Here's 5-star. Dang. Seungmin. I'm gonna keep this over here. Bro. And then all 8 of them. Changbin. Oh god. Oopsies. Changmin. Lino. Hyunjin is so cute. Oh my gosh. Bang Chan. So cute, bro. Ian. Seungmin. Ah! Felix. So cute. Han. That is. Never mind, I thought that was Dan Tracha. But that's 4 members. I believe that's Seungmin. Ian. Bro, Felix, what you been wearing? But that's another 4. Felix. Wearing a goofy little hat. Han. Bang Chan. Lino. Changmin. Hyunjin. Oh. Ian. Seungmin. Ian. Lino. Well, all 8 members. Ah! Felix! Han. Felix. Hyunjin. Changmin. Lino. Bang Chan. Seungmin. Felix. Another Felix. Han. All 8. Hyunjin. Changmin. I think 4. I thought that was 5. Changmin. Another 4. Lino. Bang Chan. Ian. Bang Chan and Ian. I'm sorry I kind of went through those faster. I just also want to get done because I'm home alone. And y'all, like, it is boring here. I'm with 2 dogs, 2 cats, waiting for my sister to get off work. Nothing to do. Sick. I'm pretty sure I got a cold. Oh, I just lost my voice. That was weird. But I've been sleeping on the couch. No, I haven't. I have my own room. I still need to give you guys a house tour. Wow. I'm gonna wait till my room is clean and set to put it together. I think I showed you guys. But we got, hold on, guys. Here's my 2 packets, 8 and 5-star. And then we're saving this card out. But I already showed you guys all those. Here's my 2 tape rolls. I'm showing you guys the back. But I have 2 little keychains, and now it's, got these, and then I got my keychains. So, let's go through these. Some stickers. Oh, not the first one I see is Felix. I love these little stickers, but I don't think I'm gonna go through them right now. Sorry to disappoint you guys, if you guys even are disappointed. I just don't feel the best today. I hope I get better tomorrow. It's either allergies or a cold that I have. Y'all can probably tell through my voice, because this is not how I normally sound. But, love you, so thank you, bye!